overwhelmed engines. As Henry was away, Murdoch was given Henry's extra duties. Donald and Douglas helped out as much as they could, but Murdoch was still left with most of the workload. He announced his grievances at the shed one night. "I love to help out, but I do need help with the goods work." "True," agreed Gordon. Murdoch was thankful that Gordon agreed with him. James was a different story. "I don't understand why you get to complain. Hours on end I'm stuck in the shed with nothing to do." Everyone sort of ignored James's complaining, except Murdoch. Henry soon returned from the works and was put on maintenance and garbage detail. He grumbled dreadfully about it, but only when the fat controller wasn't around. Murdoch carried on well for the next few days, but signs of trouble would soon be revealed. One September night, he returned the shed with steam bursting from the cylinders, and his face was as red as Bertie Bus. He wheezed as he rolled into his berth, steam still gushing from his wheels. "Oh my, are you okay, Murdoch?" asked Edward. "No, I'm not okay," he said. "The workload's increased drastically, and I don't know why." "That's horrible. Hope we can find you some help." "Could you two be quiet?" cried James on the other side of the shed. "I have so much work to do tomorrow, so let some important engines try to sleep." Just then, Murdoch remembered what James had said a few days before, and whispered it to Edward. "I'll tell the Fat Controller tomorrow when I go to get my first train." And the two engines went comfortably to sleep. "What? Why do I have to help Murdoch with his good work?" "Well, it's too late now, James. Your train is waiting in the siding. Now next time, tell me when you're up to little work." James was furious and puffed round the yard, grumbling dreadfully.
"Will you stop complaining? It's hurting my leg to hear you complain all the time,"
grumbled the truck. James ignored the truck's comment. "It would have been better if you didn't." Meanwhile, Murdoch had returned to the yard on a goods train, inside the siding resting. The yard manager walked up. "Ah, Murdoch, there's been a slight railman outside of Wellsworth. Could you please take a crane and some workmen down to the west side?" he asked. "Of course," replied Murdoch, and puffed away. He found his rail trucks on a set of points outside Wellsworth. Percy was also there, trapped in a siding. I'm sorry, I didn't mean for this to happen," he told Murdoch. "No problem, Percy. We'll have you out of here in an hour or so." James popped down Edward's branch with his goods. The trucks were tired of his grumbling and decided to pay out. As James grumbled over a small gradient, their plan went into action. Taking James off guard, they shoved him down the other side.
On! Faster! Faster!
They yelled. James tried to slow down. They were going too fast. Whistling horror, he charged on the other side. Murdoch was still at the points with Percy. The mess had been mostly cleaned up. They were giving everything the final checkup when they heard a familiar whistle. Wait, is that James's whistle? Asked Murdoch.
Why is he whistling so frantically?
Puzzled Percy. Just then the signalman shouted, "Clear the line! James is the other way!" The workmen scrambled into bushes and under greenery. But Murdoch plucked up courage and without a moment's notice puffed back to the signal box and told the signalman his plan. "It seems risky, it might work." And he ran in and started making phone calls and twitching points.
What are you doing?
Cried Percy. "I'm going to stop James," Murdoch replied and puffed away quickly. Just a few moments later, James' whistling fit to burst rushed past. By this point, the trucks were tired and they sadly enough fumbled James. But when James wasn't stopping, they went into full-out panic trying to slow themselves down. They soon caught up with Murdoch.
Murdoch, what are you doing?
Yelled James from behind. "I'm going to stop him, just give me a moment." Murdoch soon started to slow James down, and the two engines came to a stop at the docks. The two engines were uncoupled and they moved into a siding out of the way. The train was unloaded and the truck shunted, and the engines were given bad news. Murdoch was found to be mostly fine, but a checkup at the sheds would be a good idea. James, on the other hand, had flattened his wheels and worn his brakes, meaning, with some help, he was soon on a flatbed on his way home. This quiet atmosphere better than screeching on the line, don't you think? Asked Murdoch. Yes. I'm sorry for the way I acted the last few days. The summer heat must have gotten to me, you know. Murdoch looked in the sky, beautiful mixtures of colours filled it. A smile came to his face. "Thanks, James."